Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm need to download the Lexmark. This here for Syria. You type here the driver download, and please write and search the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here. This one website loading, and this here for the printer. You scroll down looking for the title support. Click here for the title, and this here for the title driver idle. Click here, and this here for the tag model to print, and this here for the tag your automatic operating system. And my operating system for Windows 10. This here for a driver recommended for me, driver package recommended for me for the Windows 10. If you need change operating system, you click here. This here for operating system Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Linux. This here for Linux version, you click here. This here for a new version for Fedora 20 Fedora 13.2, 13.3, and this year for the 13.6 and 13.7, and this year for the Debian 11 and Debian 10 and Debian X. This year for the OpenSUSE and Red Hat, and this year for the Ubuntu Sport, and this year for merge the package, merge the version for the Linux, and specific for the Fedora for the Debian or more version, and this change operating system for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for the new version for Mac. Make sure left Mac 11, Mac 13 support, and I'm testing for Mac 13, and looking here. This here for the that release support for Mac 13, Mac 13, and this here for the language English support, and this here for driver support for Mac 13. This here for not the package for the driver, and this video, if you need download, you click here for the title and click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. And I'm changing the operating system for the Windows, and I need download driver for I need download and install driver for Windows, and this here for specific a new version for Windows 11. This here for Windows 10 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows 7 support, and I'm select for the Windows 11, and looking that release, and this year for the new that release support for Windows 11, and this year for the language English support. And if you need download a driver print and scan only, this year for Lexmark printer software print and scan only support, and I'm recommendation for you. If you need not install a more the tool for the Lexmark, you need install driver printer and scanner. You download here. You click here for the data. You download for you start. You click start. You press star. I download for button. This here for the driver download, and I am recommendation for you, and two solution for the merge the tool for the links marks, and I'm recommendation for you a package driver, and this here for driver package universal driver print installation package, and there might be support for the tool software freeware, and this here for the printer or scanner for the support your driver. And this here looking here, this here for a new release support for Windows 11, and this here for the language English support. If you need to load, you click here. You click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download for the Windows 11. Okay, if you need install driver for Windows 11, and your piece white finish you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and piece white finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description. If you guys, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. Bye.